Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the heater on your Smart Honeywell Home Thermostat. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have this model of a Honeywell Home Thermostat. How do you actually go ahead and turn on the heater? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on this top left hand button and then you want to keep on clicking it until it highlights heat. So as you can see, heat is being highlighted. Afterwards, click on save. And with it, now you want to take note of these two numbers here. So the center number is your current temperature, and then the top right number is your set to temperature. So if the heat is on and our current temperature is 76 degrees, and we want it to set it to 65, that means our heater is not going to turn on. So what you'll do is that you'll keep clicking this up and down button so that your temperature at top right is higher than your center number. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on the heater on your Honeywell Home Thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.